So I've raised up the upper control arm. Took a little bit of effort, but I just pushed it up. You can see why it wasn't dropping off. There's this bumper under here that I couldn't see, and that was keeping this from going down and allowing the weight to go on that lower ball joint. So now I'm trying to take the upper control arm off. I've got a ratchet there with a 5/8 socket on it, and on the other side I'm going to hit it with the impact wrench with an 11/16 socket in it, and there are some shims here, so you count them. 3 shims for alignment purposes in the back bolt. There's a little shield here that protects one of the belts, I'm not sure which one it is, from hitting that. I'm switching over to the other, and those shims won't move yet. Switching over to the other side, the front end of it, there's 2 shims in there. Already counted those. Again, holding with the 5/8 ratchet and taking off the other end with an 11/16 impact on an impact wrench. That's interesting. I had a nut in that 11/16 socket, and I thought it was the nut from the, maybe there were 2 on there. There's not 2 on the other side. Huh. And the threads look like they've been cleaned, if you will, by taking something off. So there must have been 2 nuts on there and I just didn't notice it. Shims aren't quite ready to all come out yet. One of them did. Maybe that one's got a hole through it. The other one has just a U. Get this back on the rear one. Okay, I just figured out why there were 2 bolts on that other side. The first one just held this on. The second one actually holds the control arm on. So there's actually 4 shims in the back. One of them is very thin, I didn't see it. Control arm just slides off those bolts. They're long and you have to take it off. You have to take it off even, or it just binds in there. So that's what we were taking off.